He undertakes extensive tours for supervising the preparation of electoral rolls and conducts elections also and holds conferences. Stop. He also attends to administrative and financial matters pertaining to the Commission's organization and its functions. Stop. These are in short the functions of the Commission. Would it be possible for one individual to do full justice to the task assigned to the Commission, and can a single individual loaded with so many important duties present a picture of efficiency and impartiality? Sign of interrogation para. In my opinion, he can never. In this respect, it would be worthwhile to quote what the Joint Committee on Amendments to Election Law had said. It is a committee constituted by both houses of Parliament. Stop. It says that in order that electronics based on adult suffrage in the country may be free and fair, it is essential that the election work should be spread and done throughout the length and breadth of the country, and that even in the remotest villages this work should be done in a manner so as to inspire the confidence of the people. Stop. The election machinery should be such that it may function effectively in every village, town, and city in an independent, impartial, and fair manner. Stop. Gradually, elections have ceased to be a 5 years affair but are held, if not every year, at least in every alternate year in some part or other of our vast country. Stop. The elections have therefore become a continuing process entailing enormous work on the Election Commission. Stop. The immensity of the task of the Election Commission and the complexities of the duties it is called upon to discharge are too obvious and do not require any elaboration. Stop. It is too great a burden for a single person to exercise supervision, direction, and control effectively on the whole process of elections throughout the country. Stop. Para. Mr. Chairman, sir, keeping in view the circumstances in the country, our constitution is so framed that we can say that it is neither fully federal nor fully unitary. Stop. It strikes a balance between two, and it stood the test of time in all situations so far cropped in the country. Stop. We have so far successfully thwarted all kinds of challenges posed to our political system, and we have remained stable amidst such pressure on our system. Stop. I do not think that any new development has taken place warranting reappraisal and detailed analysis of our political system. Stop. Often our friends, particularly from opposition parties, raise the demand for redefining of relations between the center and the states. Stop. I think whenever any political development takes place in a particular state or a particular party of a particular state feels any pressure on it in that situation, the only one slogan is raised that the central government is committing exercise on it, be it is a political issue or a financial issue. Stop para. Generally, such things are raised on three counts. Firstly, it is raised on account of the institution of governor. Secondly, on account of prevailing financial relations between the center and the states. And thirdly, such things are raised by different regional parties for their personal political gains under the compulsion of situations in their state. Stop. If a detailed analysis is made with regard to it, one comes to the conclusion that behind all these three factors, it is mainly the political compulsion that forces them to raise such issues. Stop. Sir, if we take an example of the present West Bengal government, which often holds central government responsible for any lapse on their part so that they could hide their failures, they often level charges against central government of not granting that much of autonomy which is required by their state government to undertake the job, while the fact is that our constitution is neither newly formed nor it is a creation of recent past. Stop. At present, whatever equation between the center and the states is prevailing, it has been prevailing under the constitution since long ago. Stop. It was formed long ago by our constitution makers. Stop. So long as the same party ruled at the center and the state, no such problem arose. But as soon as different parties came into power at the center and states, such problem began to arise. Stop.